What's up, everybody? Isamu Sushi here, and just a quick mail call or unveiling some new merch from Covert Instruments, and we're my Reaper set is still on the way, but I did just get my Rizz-Pick. We gotta check this out. And there she is, Rizz-Pick. And oh, nice. And there we go. And that is gonna get added to my topographical slim pickings. We're gonna add that to that. And then let's see, we also got let's see, so these are brand new. These jigglers. These are the brand new jigglers. 20 thou. Oh, yeah, all in 20 thou. And then classic comb picks. And this is going to finish off my bypass set. And so that is going to be this set here. And I got my warded lock picks. Ooh, there's the magnet pulling over all my stuff. And then got your lash slipper, all your normal stuff that comes in the kit. And then over here is going to be my comb picks and my jigglers right there. That's going to be mainly my bypass set. This is just my regular Echelon and Genesis sets together, all in one. Nice little setup there. And then also I've got some other stuff on the way. So hopefully some more laser etched to go along with my topographical Genesis set. Only these ones are going to be a little bit different, closer to my logo. Anyway, check that out too. You gotta love it. Even the silver hardware, stainless steel hardware, has been laser etched. It's just really hard to see on camera. Camera, once again, just does not do it justice. Anyway, I just wanted to show everybody the new jigglers. And they do move. Nice. Check that out. Oh, yeah. Just like if it's in the Covert Companion, only with your handles. Perfect. And then my comb picks, that'll go in my bypass. And then we got the Rizz to do my slim pickings. All right. Love you guys all. Thank you so much. I appreciate every one of you. And I missed the 50 sub giveaway. I passed it so quick I couldn't do anything about it. I was in the middle of moving my house. So I'm gearing up for the 100 sub giveaway. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I'm working on it. I might be a little late. I mean, I don't want to say don't subscribe. Please subscribe if you're interested, but I don't want to hit 100 too fast because I'm not sure I'm ready. So please be patient with me. Like, subscribe, comment. Love you guys. Have a great night.